Hey folks, today I'm drinking a beer from Oatbird. This is a crowler. They do 25.4 ounce crowlers now instead of 32, which is kind of nice. But this is their Black Sheep. It's an oatmeal stout. It is 5.9% alcohol by volume, and they date their crowlers month and year, and it was crowlered this month, and it is the 14th of October. And so this crowler is at most 2 weeks old. I picked this up just over a week ago. Today is Monday, Indigenous Peoples Day. Beer Tuber Palooza was this weekend, and I picked it up last weekend. So yeah. They had a cask day. I was kind of bummed because it's like it always seems like the things I want to do and the things Katie wants to do, or the things we want to do, always conflict. Schedules always conflict. Oh, that is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. That's like a crimson red kind of color. Yeah, definitely wasn't expecting that. That's a solid finger of khaki-ish, a little darker than khaki. Colored head, kind of tannish, brownish. But yeah, looks good. Let's see. Well, I mean, there's some brown and stuff in there as well. So, yeah, let's see what it smells like. I'm getting more roastiness than I am chocolate. I'm getting, how would I describe that? Like earthy. There's, what is it? It's like, kind of coffee. There's something chicory root maybe. Like roasted chicory root might be the thing that I'm trying to think of, but I don't know. It is cold because I had it in the fridge, so it is a little colder than probably I want to be drinking it, but you know, I'm on a schedule. That's how it goes. And I just decided that I was going to drink this. So let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's very oatmeal. Oatmeal is definitely I really like this. Yeah, a little bit of chocolate, but roasty. The same kind of roasty thing that was in the aroma. It's a little, because there's a little bit of chocolate in there, it's a little more thinned out. But yeah, it's like oatmeal, like I have like that oatmeal residue that you get sometimes when you eat oatmeal. I know they sometimes mess around with like their carbonation. I don't know I didn't get a chance to talk to Adam, I believe is his name. I remembered, I think. If they did anything fancy with the growlers this time. Because it does drink a little more like, kind of like nitro. Like it's a little more creamy. Because I was going to say it's a little thin, but it's not thin. It's just different. Yeah. I mean, the oatmeal might be given a little bit of that creaminess to it as well. But it was really good. There's like a fruitiness in there too. I want to say cherry, but it's not cherry. Or maybe it's like a cherry. I don't know. This is good. I like it. This is what I'm drinking with my dinner, and I'm happy about it. So yeah, you should check out Oddbird if you. I mean, they're a small brewery. They're in New Jersey. They're in a small town in New Jersey, and I don't believe they distro at all. Maybe when they do cannings, but they don't distro the crowlers. And they have a lot of cool beer and they do a lot of cool things. So anyway, thanks for hanging out. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.